Namhlanje Orlando Pirates reserve team iqopha umlando as they were crowned DDC champions for the very first time since the inception of le league lena ngesizini ka-2014-2015. And I must say ukuthi there are a few outstanding players yabo abadlali mna engibalangazelelayo ukuthi maybe next season they could be promoted, the likes of Moses Mphekwane no Debbie J. That defensive duo bafethu, it has carried Orlando Pirates throughout the season. And attackingly uRantasi kanye no Popo Padime, goalkeeping department we are secure phaya. Can you believe ukuthi Bayanda Zulu kule season lena clinched 17 clean sheets? 17, can you believe? Yabo, and that's not a coincidence, more like Osipho Chain, yabo. And naku technical team man, Orosco Krelling cooked this team, yabo, from the very first game until the last game. I mean, we've seen ucoach Dukuduku ezama ukuyiwina le league lena, but it was just due to fine margins ehluleka. But Roscoe Krelling has come in and done the job.